Hello, hello, hello. It is, ooh, she's gonna do it again. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, yeah, 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 yeah. Woo! Such a great day. It is a great day. It's a great day to sing, as I always say. Your days are what you make them. If they aren't good, you can turn them around. It's your choice, though. Now, what's happening with you with your singing? It's your choice to make it a great singing day. It's your choice to vocalize, work your muscles. She's always saying that. And I will continue to say that because it's the fundamental for you. I'm doing it every day. If I miss a day, it's like a Sunday maybe, Saturday or Sunday, and I've got something to do, but I'm vocalizing. Even if it's just a little bit, I make sure that I do vocalize, okay? Now, the other side of the coin now is to do your songs. But a lot of times, there's this one thing that so many singers ask me about, and it's no different with a new client. She had a whole bunch of questions, and I'm running through them and giving them to you, what I said to her. She says, what key do I sing in? And I went, oh my gosh, we're going through this again. Oh my gosh. You don't sing in a certain key. Now, I know there's going to be some people saying, no, I sing in the same key. I do these songs. Okay, I'll explain in a minute, but you don't sing in a specific key. They heard the breeze in the trees, singing weird melodies. And they heard that, guess what? That's the birth of the blues, and I sang that in B flat, long, long time ago. All of me, old song, all of me. Why not take all of me? E flat. Now, that's because it was swing, and swing fluctuates. You can do songs with high or low. The melodies were all over the place. It was an amazing time for music. Now, it's the same now, but if you're singing the blues, okay, the blues are centered around 1-4-5, a very limited amount of chord changes usually, and a limited range. So with that limited range, you're probably going to sing it in the same key or a little bit lower. Maybe, one day you don't feel so good, so you sing it a little bit lower, but you're basically going to sing it in a key. Then if you have, say, a rock tune, a basic rock tune, same thing. But then there's other songs, and you're going to be singing them in way different keys. G, C, E flat, A flat, okay? F sharp, oh gosh. So when a musician says to you, well, what key do you sing that song in? You know that he or she has no idea. God bless them, but you don't sing in a key. You say, I'm going to do it in this key, okay? So remember, you do not sing in a specific key. And I said this before, I've said it. I can't remember when I did a video a long time ago. I mentioned it, but just, it's always good to go over this because you forget. And then it depends on the range of the song. Some songs sit high, and you want to check your high note and your low note in it, and then adjust that for your range. Notice I went down and I went up, because a lot of times there'll be a song that a guy sings. So you're going to have to adjust it up in order to be able to hit those low notes. And then there's going to be a song that somebody else sings, girl, whoever, and it's too high. So you're going to adjust the key and bring it down. So you don't just sing it in the key that it was written. A lot of the time, you have to adjust it for what? For your instrument, because you're special. You are. It is your range. Nobody's like you. You've got an instrument and you must respect it. So do it in a range that is right for your instrument, and don't try and go, stretch your voice up to where this other person sings. Think that you have to just because it was written in that key or was sung in that key. No, You must fit it to you. And I always say, it's like trying clothes on, All right, that's what I wanted to give you today. So remember, if you haven't been vocalizing, you need help with your voice, I'm here to help you. I've got courses, a vocal workout course where you're doing all exercises, and I'm right there with you. And also Singing for a Lifetime. It's a woman's membership where we just do vocal exercises. Do you think I'm stuck on exercises? Yeah, because that's what you need. You're dealing with muscles, okay? All right, and I have a big course that's coming out. Woo! This is so much fun. Or if you need private lessons, but no matter what, get help with your voice, okay? There's very few people that can just go along and, learn and sing no matter what. And even they listen to people and they learn when they're listening, okay? So, we all need help, okay? I'm here to help you, love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember, it's you that makes it a good day because it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah, such a day, such a mighty fine day, woo! So much fun. Okay, bye. Oh, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment, DM. Oh my gosh, bye.